Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can fix the slow and laggy scrolling in your Microsoft Word document really quickly. So let us get started. So let's assume, guys, you run your Microsoft Word program or application on an old computer, and that old computer can't handle the graphics, and you may see that, for example, in slower and laggy scrolling through your documents in Microsoft Word. If that's the case, guys, there are some fixes you may apply here to fix this or to solve this. What you want to do, guys, is, for example, head over to File in the top left, access your Microsoft Word options here at the bottom, and here in that window, simply switch from the General tab to the Advanced tab here. And basically, guys, what you will need to do is make a few changes to your display settings. So scroll down to the display settings here. And what you may do is, for example, turn off this feature here, update document content while dragging, by unselecting the checkbox next to it. And do the same with the option or feature below, use subpixel positioning to smooth fonts on screen, by unselecting the checkbox next to it, confirm by clicking on OK here, and check if this has fixed the issue and if you can now scroll through your document much smoother and without any lags. That's how you do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.